Welcome to this video on universal motors. We will explore the engineering behind their high-speed performance in home appliances and power tools. This video will cover the fundamentals of AC/DC operation and compatibility, the motor's anatomy, its applications in real-world tools, and essential maintenance tips. A universal motor is an electric motor that can operate on either alternating current or direct current power. They offer versatile power, are high speed, and provide high power density. The physics behind AC/DC operation relies on the series connection of the stator and rotor. When AC polarity reverses, the magnetic field and armature current reverse simultaneously, maintaining unidirectional torque. Key internal components include the armature, which is the rotating part, the commutator, which transfers current, carbon brushes, which press against the commutator, and the field windings. Universal motors are known for their high starting torque at low speeds, making them ideal for starting heavy loads. Torque decreases as speed increases, as shown in this graph. In kitchen appliances like mixers and food processors, universal motors provide variable speed control, compact design, and strength to handle viscous doughs or crush ice. In power tools such as drills, saws, and grinders, the universal motor delivers the high-speed rotation and torque required for precise cuts and efficient drilling. Compared to induction motors, universal motors offer higher speed and starting torque, but are louder and require more maintenance due to their brushes. To extend motor life, regularly inspect and replace carbon brushes when they reach a 1/4 inch in length. Clean the commutator and check for excessive sparking, but never lubricate the commutator. The key advantage of universal motors is their high RPM capability in a small footprint. However, their disadvantages include high noise, brush sparking, and the need for regular maintenance.